Welcome back. Today we'll discuss on monitoring environmental changes through remote sensing, case studies in erosion and sediment analysis. An overview of remote sensing in environmental monitoring analysis, discussing the importance of erosion and sediment studies, highlighting the use of satellite and aerial data for monitoring environmental changes. Erosion analysis, uh, utilizing the remote sensing techniques to assess erosion pattern in different landscapes, exploring the impact of human activity and natural causes on erosion. Case studies on erosion monitoring using satellite imagery and GIS analysis. Sedimentation monitoring, examining the role of remote sensing in tracking sediment in rivers, lakes, coastal areas, discussing the significant sediment analysis for ecosystem, health and water quality management, examples of sediment monitoring and satellite data, and LIDAR technology. Collection methods, exploring various methods of data collection in erosion and sediment studies, highlighting the use of satellite imagery, aerial photography, and ground-based monitoring techniques, comparing the advantages and limitation of different data collection methods. Image processing techniques, an overview of image processing methods of extracting erosion and sediment information for remote sensing data, discussing the use of machine learning algorithm for automated feature extraction. Case studies demonstrate that the image processing techniques are limitlessly helping them. We are using GIS and spatial analysis. The data, whatever we arranged, we are monitored data are being captured and which is being utilized for utilizing the find the erosion and erosion analysis. So in coastal erosion, examine the impact of coastal shoreline dynamics and habitat loss is very important. Using remote sensing data to monitor coastal erosion trends and predict future changes. River sedimentation, analyzing the effect of river sedimentation on water quality and aquatic ecosystems, demonstrating the use of remote sensing techniques to monitor sediment transport and deposition in river system. What are the challenges? Identifying the challenges and limitation of using remote sensing and erosion sedimentation analysis, discussing the factors such as cloud cover, data, resolution, and the seasonal variation are some of the major factors which will come into the picture as a challenges and limitation in this kind of studies. In future, the hydrospectral imaging and radar remote sensing are very helpful using the machine learning algorithm which are growing up like anything. So this will help us to identify. In conclusion, the key findings of insight of erosion and the sediment analysis using the remote sensing is marvelous, and it is very integrated with the technology what we are having today.